Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in this world. Today I wanted to give you a more detailed overview of my 2023 vision board. So if you are interested, then continue to watch. So this is pretty much my catch-all planner, the planner that I put everything in, and then I kind of go from there. So this is the mother hub, okay, so to speak. So at the back of my catch-all planner, I have my vision board, which I will share with you. I gave you guys a bit of a teaser in my shorts video, but it was only pretty much the financial section. So now I want to give you a more in-depth view of it. So my vision board starts off with a title page. It says Simone's 2023 goals and vision board. So this is my vision board as well as some goals that I have set out for 2023. So, a goal is the objective of a person's ambition or effort and aim for a direct result. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. So on my vision board, I have a section for my home goals that I have. So first things first, I want to turn my house into a home. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard that little cliche quote, but seriously, that is what I want to do for 2023. So I cut out these little icons or images of just to inspire me to revamp, redecorate, and make my living space a little bit more homey. So some things that I'm going to do, I would like to repaint all my walls, washroom, bedroom, everything, hallway, just you name it, I want to paint it. And a little splash of paint can go a long way. And then do little minor repairs, and I want to get some new furniture pieces. The furnitures that I have, honestly, I think I've had them for a good solid 10 years now, if I'm not mistaken, so I'm due for some new stuff. On this side, I have my family goals that I have. Here, I just want to have more quality time with my family, do some traveling, take more photos, as well as print them, because I don't know if I'm the only guilty party that just has a whole bunch of photos in my phone and I never print them. And sometimes I get a new phone and then it's like those pictures are just lost in the sauce of things. So I want to have more game nights, movie nights, and family date nights, stuff like that. Next up, I have some spiritual goals. I want to make prayer and praying a part of my daily routine, as well as just make it a habit. I want to pray 3 times daily. I want to read as well as study my Bible. And then what I want to do finally is to study the Bible or read the Bible within a year. So I want to pray 3 times a day. I want to read my Bible within a year and then study it as well. Next up, I have some financial goals, which I kind of went over it with you guys, but I want to build my emergency funds as well as my 3 to 6 months expense, do my saving challenges, some investing, save, sinking funds, debt reduction, and all of that good stuff. So this is pretty much a synopsis of my detailed financial gold overview that I went through with you guys already. So if you want to see that video, go check it out. It was pretty detailed. I went through my budget planner and all of that good stuff. I think you guys would really like and appreciate that video. Next up is self-care, and I just have a few things that I want to do. I want to stay hydrated. I want to practice more self-care habits. I want to make sure I get that 8 hours of good sleep or rest. And I want to do a lot of treating myself because, you know, we're worth it. I'm worth it. So that's pretty much it for self-care. I want to just do a lot of pampering and all of that good stuff. Next up, I have some personal goals that I want to accomplish. I want to do some more journaling and scripting. I want to read 50 books by the end of the year, as well as read about 20 to 30 minutes daily. Yeah, and that's all leisure reading. I want to post consistently on YouTube. I really want to hit 10K. I mean, last year's goal was 1,000, but I'm dreaming real big this year. I want to hit that 10K subscriber. And then, like, I know everyone will say numbers doesn't matter, but I already said, I've stated in my past video that I want to look at social media as a business and not just, you know, so a little bit more consistency and posting. Over here, I have some health goals. I want to eat more healthy, whole food. I want to work out 3 times a week, as well as lose 25 to 30 pounds. And that might sound a lot, but I have went up 3 dress size and I'm not happy with it. So I'm going to do something about it. And then at the end of my vision board, I have a section for reflections. So this will just give me an opportunity. This space gives me an opportunity to just reflect on what I did, how I did, and how I can improve and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much my vision board for this year. And I think it turned out pretty cute. I kind of revamped it. I had it set up where it opened like, what's that instrument called? I forgot. But yeah, an accordion. There we go. I wanted it to open up like an accordion, but my washi tape was just not giving what it was supposed to give, so I had to scratch that idea. And I think this one works out even better. I could just flip through it nicely. I have it in my catch-all binder, so I'm constantly looking back and reflecting on, okay, what are the goals that I need to work on, or what do I need to stay on track with, okay? Yeah, so that is it. Hopefully that serves as an inspiration, and I can't wait to see you guys vision board. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.